Hey there, today we're going to look at how to download Minecraft Bedrock Edition for free on PC. So let's get started. First, open a web browser of your choice. Over here, search for Minecraft free trial. And open the official minecraft.net link. Then scroll down and find the version you want. Over here, select Bedrock Edition for your platform and press download. After that, you'll be redirected to a new page. Over here, make sure the Minecraft for Windows tab is selected and press install. Then download the installer file. After that, the Minecraft launcher will open. Over here, the game will launch and you can start playing the free trial of Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Then, keep in mind this is a trial version. Over here, there will be a time limit, but you can test the game before buying. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.